How to fix LinkedIn login block for security. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your login is blocked for security. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To fix a blocked LinkedIn login for security, what you can do is first, you can try to just log into LinkedIn using that same credentials and follow the instructions like whatever it says you. So you can follow the on-screen instructions, maybe it will ask you to verify your identity and so on. So you want to complete the identity verification. If LinkedIn has sent you a verification code, check for any sort of verification code within your email or anything like that. That might ask you to verify you are the owner of that account. If these are not helping you, then what you can do is you can wait a couple of hours before you try to log in again, because LinkedIn might have noticed a spammy behavior from your account, like you might be attempting to log in too much number of times, and that's why it could have disabled your login for the time being. So the best thing you can do is wait and see if that helps you as well. Now, if you're using LinkedIn on Android, just go ahead and long press the LinkedIn app. Tap on the I button that says App Info. Then go to storage usage. Then tap on clear cache and clear the data as well. Then go to your Play Store or App Store and simply search for the LinkedIn application and check if it has an update. And if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.